Hello everyone, today we will do class 9th chapter 10 circles exercise 10.5 question number 10th. If circles are drawn taking two sides of triangle as diameters, prove that the point of intersection of these circles lie on the third side. Now just see this figure first. Two circles are drawn with diameters equals to the side of triangle ABC. Now these two circles are actually intersecting at 2 points A and D. Now we have to prove that this point D lies on the third side. Right? That is this figure, when final figure is made, it will be like this. We have to prove this. So let us see what is given. It is given that a triangle ABC, given a triangle ABC, right? And two circles are drawn with diameters AB and AC respectively. D is the point of intersection of two circles, right? Actually, the circles are intersecting at 2 points A and D. Now we have to see that this other point of intersection, one is A, right? And the other point of intersection, that is D, this lies on the third side. So that is this, we have to prove that D lies on BC, or what else? BDC is a straight line. This we have to prove, right? So let us start. Now we know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle. If AB is the diameter, then this point D lies on the semicircular arc AB. So that is angle ADB is 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Now similarly, we will see second circle. We will write similarly, we have angle ADC also equals to 90 degree, since for the second circle AC is the diameter and D is the point on a semicircular arc. So ADC is also 90 degree. So let us add them. So that means we are adding these two angles, right? So angle ADB plus angle ADC is 180 degree. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. But we know that 180 degree is a straight angle. But see, this D point is looking like this. It is not looking straight. That means this D point should lie on BC. That is, the figure should be like this. So we will write, or BDC is a straight line, or you can also write it is a straight angle. Therefore, D lies on BC.